Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send your Cardano, ADA, from Crypto.com to your Trezor hardware wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like Trezor is a smart move to protect against hacks and online threats. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring ADA safely in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Crypto.com account with some ADA in it, and your Trezor device should be fully set up and connected to your computer via USB. Always double-check that your Trezor is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Head to the Trezor website if you need to update it. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone or log in via their website. Navigate to your wallet section and find your ADA balance. Tap or click on Withdraw next to ADA. This will prompt you to enter the destination address. Step 2. On your Trezor device, open the Cardano app if it's not already running. Your Trezor will display your ADA wallet address. Make sure to copy this address carefully. Never type it manually to avoid errors. Paste this address into the withdrawal field on Crypto.com. Step 3. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send. Remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary but are usually minimal for Cardano transactions in 2025. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and the network. It should be Cardano's native network. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction on Crypto.com. You'll get a confirmation screen. Hit Approve. Now, on your Trezor, it will ask you to verify the transaction details using the device's buttons. This is your hardware wallet's security feature in action, so take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before approving. Once the transaction is confirmed, it might take a few minutes for the ADA to appear in your Trezor wallet, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Cardano. A quick tip: always use the official apps and websites to avoid phishing scams. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.